Okay, so I'm on a walk in the lovely area in upstate New York called Blatnick Park. It's the nice, nice place to walk with your pets, to ride a bike, and as you see, there are some people on a bicycle around me, and there is a view of a little river here. Very lovely, beautiful to take a walk during this afternoon, and it's gorgeous here during the fall. So I would love you to explore it with me. I'm a little worried having sunburn, but it's so worth it right now to be here. Now I'm a little bit closer to the water. This very strange green color in the water. Well, I know for sure it's natural. Whatever's happening. Just love listening to the birds. And I'm approaching my favorite shady area where I don't have to worry about being burned under the sun. Oh, there is a random person just like me without a bicycle. How nice. This nature here is so beautiful. Really feels like you're in a resort area. I wish I had my bicycle, however. Just look at these colors. It's really a special vibe here. It's something about this place. Something very, very special. Yes, the water is right here. I would not go swimming there, for sure. The best part of it, you feel absolutely safe here. Safe just by walking along. Pretty much any time of the day. But I wouldn't come here at night. But in the United States, you shouldn't really worry about, anything. People are just really nice here, and so Look how lovely. I'm gonna keep walking and enjoying my time. Okay. And I hope you'll join me another time where I explore more places. In fact, not only in New York, but everywhere I go. I travel a lot. So in future videos, you will see lots of Europe as well. So stay with me. I'll be happy if you subscribe my channel and follow my stories. Until next time.